Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today another episode of mango dessert. It's an Arabian mango custard bread pudding. It's a summer special easy mango dessert recipe. And if you are a mango lover and craving for mangoes, make the season's favorite fruit mango dessert, mango custard bread pudding. For this recipe, we need 12 slices of white bread. You can trim the edges of the bread and keep it aside. We need mangoes ripe too. Milk 2 cups. And I showed the bread. I trimmed the edges and keep it aside. Condensed milk half cup, or you can adjust. You can always replace with sugar as well. And we need room temperature 1/4 cup milk mixed with custard. I'm using 2 tablespoons of custard powder mixed with milk, and you can mix it well and keep it aside. Boil 2 cups of milk in a saucepan. You can add few strands of saffron. Once it comes to a boil, you can add condensed milk and mix it well. Now you can add the custard milk and keep stirring for another 3 to 4 minutes and keep the flame on low heat. Stir continuously until the custard gets cooked and mixture becomes thick. Once it gets thick consistency, you can turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. For the cream layer, we need 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Whisk it well and keep it aside. Now our custard mix is cool. You can add the mango puree and mix it well until it's smooth. You can save some for the garnishing for later. You can layer the bread slices in the 9x13 glass dish. Pour half of the mango custard mix over. Now you can place another layer of bread and pour the remaining mango custard mix. you can pour the cream mix over the mango custard pudding, and finally you can garnish with some chopped mangoes and nuts. Cover and refrigerate for 4 hours and you can serve it chilled. You must try this unique dessert at your next gathering and impress your guests with the taste of the Middle East. It's so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back at another one. Bye. Take care.